Hey guys, I'm trying to get inspired because I want to start organizing some picnics with my girl pals. Um, yeah, so I'm trying to, my hair is doing this crazy. I had it up in a bun, so it's all weird. Uh, Hi, baby.
Hi.
I recently started watching the FlyLady. I don't know if you guys know who she is, but I discovered her through TikTok. A TikToker was talking about how her method really helped her like keep her house clean. And I'm currently trying to get into that like routine. So what she does is that she breaks up like her chores and breaks them up. So one day she'll work on one thing and the next day she'll work on something else. And so that's what I'm trying to do. And the good thing is that I didn't know that she was like a faith-based YouTuber. So when I looked her up and then she started talking about Jesus, I was like, oh my gosh, this is awesome, because she does like a little prayer, and then she also like she'll go live and then she'll start telling people like, okay, right now we're gonna do this, and then she'll time it, and then she'll like inspire you to like, or motivate you to like start cleaning your house. And like that's what I was really looking for, something kind of like to motivate me. And obviously coming to Christ and now trying to get into a deeper relationship with him, it definitely is helping me, because now with him obviously in my life every day, and having a conversation with him and having that relationship with him is really motivating, you know, and I get my day started and all that. So yeah, so that's where we're at right now. I know that I've been gone for a very long time. I know that I like leave and then I come back during the holidays. It's really when I like get motivated to start making YouTubes. So I'm here again. But yeah, you guys should check her out, the FlyLady, and then I'll also link a TikToker that recommended the FlyLady method and all that. So I'm gonna get started on cleaning, and also I'm gonna try to get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow I have to take Rolito to his dentist appointment, and so I want to make some lunch and get the kids ready so that my mom could have them in the morning. Let's see if they fit you. Oh my gosh, they look kind of big. What are they? No. How many did they put in there? Okay, two. They look so big. Let's try them on. If they don't fit, we have to return them. Let me see. All right. They do fit you. Yeah. Let me see.
Santo Jesús.
That's really good, Ramen.